Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep JK ball joints. First, recognize signs of wear such as clunking noises, vibrations, or loose steering. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a specialized ball joint press. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting your Jeep and securing it on jack stands before beginning any work. Then, carefully remove the wheel and brake caliper assembly. Now, let's get into the disassembly. Begin by disconnecting the steering linkage and carefully removing the axle shaft from the knuckle. This step requires patience to avoid damaging other components. Once clear, utilize your ball joint press to extract both the upper and lower worn ball joints. Finally, ensure the knuckle is completely clean and free of debris before proceeding with new parts. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, after a big job like this, you'll be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old joints out, it's time for installation. Carefully press the new upper and lower ball joints into the knuckle, ensuring they are seated correctly. Then, reassemble the axle shaft, steering linkage, and brake components in reverse order. It's crucial to torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's exact specifications for optimal safety and performance. Double-check everything before lowering your Jeep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.